Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Photoshop Elements Tutorials group here on Facebook. And let's jump right into today's poster. Want us to know how to get rid of all the white on this graphic and leave just the lines to be able to print it on a t-shirt. Well, that's pretty simple, but what we got to do is first use the magic tool up here, which is this little pixie stick. So let's go ahead and choose that. Now basically all we got to do is click down here and hit delete. But what happens? Nothing. You know why? And the reason is because look up here on the layers, there's this little lock right here, which means that the layer is locked and it's not allowing us to do anything with that layer. So let's click on the lock to unlock it. You see what just happened. And let's go ahead and do that again. We're going to click on the magic tool and click here in the white. And now we're going to hit delete. But now we got another issue. It's not getting all the white. Why is that happening? Because the tolerance is too low. This white isn't pure white. It's actually a little bit darker than we thought. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And how do we know that? Look down here. The tolerance here is number 2. So let's go ahead and bring that up really far, like 50 points. Try that same tool again. Click here and hit delete, and now look at that. It got rid of just about everything, and now all we got to do is do shift clicking on everything else to get rid of the white portions within the rest of the photo graphic. And shift clicking and then hit delete. And finally we'll just get these little tiny doodads on the flowers, and that's pretty much all there is to it. We were able to get rid of the whole white portion in a matter of seconds. And there we go. We got the whole graphic. Now we can save it as a PNG or recolor by introducing new colors inside any portion that you want. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to check us out on the Facebook at the Photoshop Elements Tutorials group page. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.